Anybody up for a Giulia? Alfa Romeo, baby. Boy, it's got a dark tint. Giulia, 2018, 50,000 miles. Wow, what a cool car. I've never been in one of the new Alfa Romeos. We may have to take this little baby out for a spin. Take her out for a little spin. Let's do it. Oh, wow. What a cool car. Oh my God. What a car. Man, it's a sports car, that's for darn sure. 50,000 miles. Start buttons on the steering wheel. Let's see what we got. Comment, what's under the hood of this thing? I don't have a clue. No clue. But it looks like a BMW style gear shift. Okay. Oh man, look at that screen. That is so cool. Do I have a heated seat? Menu. Car. Car. Car status. All level. Okay, where's my freaking heated seat? You gotta be kidding me. No sunroof either. This must be the base model. I ain't got no heated seat. We ain't got no sunroof. Man, I'm seeing some... These Alfa Romeos, who are they bumming off of? I'm seeing some familiar stuff here. Some familiar switchgear and buttons. Oh, man, the brakes are like right now. I mean, right now. Oh, she feels good though. Oh, gonna start dinging at me for the seatbelt. Chat. See if I can get her on. Alright. Man. This thing is tight, y'all. The steering's real light. It's not very weighted, but man, is it quick. Like, got a quick ratio. It turns right. I mean, it turns right now. Oh my. Oh, she's peppy. Whoa. Whoa, peppy. God, this thing's got some guts, man. I have no idea what the fuck they're running under the hood of this thing. But golly, it's got some guts. Holy smokes. Woo, man. Whoa. Now this thing could be fun to drive. I do not know anything about the new Alfa Romeos. This one has 50,000 miles. It's a 2018, and it looks like brand new. I mean, it looks brand new inside and out. But I have no idea who is doing, is this, let's see, is this part of FCA, Chrysler? Is that what this is all a part of? Got some nice red Alfa Romeo brakes, man. Too bad on the curb rash. Got some curb rash going on. I do love this grill. What the hell is this thing? It is a 4-cylinder. 2 liters? Yeah, 2 liters? I mean, is this... Who makes this motor? Is this out of the Jaguar? Or You know, everybody's cross-dressing these days. Man, I just love the styling of it. And this one is clean, 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 other than just a little curb rash here and there. Not bad. A Giulia. What a cool car. I like this, but it'll be too much money. I just wanted to drive it. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to drive it. Yeah, my seatbelt. What do you guys think of the Giulia? Tell me what engine I'm running here. I ain't got a clue, man. This is a new car trade-in at the Honda dealership. Kind of odd to be coming out of something like this and going into a Honda. Kind of odd, kind of odd. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks. Peace.